All right, here is a picture of some children who like to ride in a motor boat. What's the word? Motorboat. Yeah, it looks like they're having a great time. Maybe some of you have ridden in a motor boat. Say it fast. Motorboat this summer. All right, enjoy. All right, we're going to cross out all the ah. What are we going to cross out? Think. Tell me the sound. Yes, ah. So everyone that says ah, we're going to go ahead and put an X through it. All right, let's look at the first one. Think, that means say what this is in your head. Get ready? Yes, cat. Is that an ah? No, so we're not going to cross it out. All right, let's go to the next one. Think, say it in your head. Get ready? Good. Ah. Are we going to cross it out? Yes, we're going to cross it out because it says ah. Let's go to the next one right here. Think. Get ready. Nice. Ah. What should I do? I'm going to cross it out again. Nice job. All right, next one. Think. Get ready. Yes, shoe. Should I cross it out? Nope, I'm going to leave it be. Next one. Think. Get ready. Nice. What should I do? Yes, I need to cross this one out too because it says ah. Let's go here. Think. Get ready. Girl, what should I do this time? Leave it be. Good job. All right, here we go. Think. Get ready. Good. Ah. All right, am I crossing it out? Yes, I am. It says ah. Next one. Think. Get ready. Yes. Ah. What do I do this time? Cross it out again. All right, you guys did a great job helping me cross out all the ah